All right, guys, let's talk shop vacs. So I've been using like 5-gallon Craftsman shop vacs my entire life, but I just picked up this RIDGID NXT. They make a Pro Series Pro line. It's a little bit bigger than this, but this is absolutely a fantastic shop vac. It's 5 horsepower, so extremely powerful. In fact, my Craftsman was a 6 horsepower. This thing sucks, has more suction with a 10-foot hose than my Craftsman has. So it's absolutely phenomenal. 15 foot, I think 15 or 20, no, it's a 20-foot extension cord. Power switch is right here on the top. This is a carry handle. It's like a toolbox, okay? It's very lightweight, actually. Extremely lightweight as far as shop vacs go. The handle flips down. You can wrap the cord here if you want to, but it also has a cord cubby right here. So the cord comes out right here. It's got a little slot. You can just coil up the cord and shove it in here if you want. You can use this for attachments or whatever if you want to store in there. This is your blower hookup. So if you want to use it as a blower, you just pop your hose right onto here, and now you have a portable blower. Absolutely fantastic. The air that comes out of here is clean. You just want to make sure your hose is clean depending on what you're blowing, right? So what do we have over here, right? This is really interesting. It's actually this down here, right here, is a dust pan, okay? It's a dust pan. So you take the stock hose that comes with it. This is a flexible hose. This is a stock hose. It's an expansion hose, and it'll expand up to 6 feet, okay? But basically you just, you plug the hose in right here, right there like that. Then you route this thing around, and you just, you plug it in like this, and then anything that you sweep into this area is just gonna get sucked right up, okay? So it's like a dustpan. It's pretty nice. It's a nice feature, okay? I'll give you that, especially if you're working on job sites. I got this for automotive detailing. This is a phenomenal vacuum cleaner for automotive detailing because it has tremendous suction, okay? The handle makes it super easy to pick it up, carry it, move it wherever you want, on driveways, anywhere you are. And when you set it down, it's not gonna roll around on you. It's not gonna roll down the driveway or roll into the side of your vehicle. It doesn't have any steel, or metal sticking out of it anywhere. So if you do drag it and it hits something, it's not going to do any damage, right? So really phenomenal. It also has another cubby over here on this side. Let me just pop this open right here. So another cubby where it has attachments. Okay, so you got a crevice tool and you got a massive brush. It's 1 7/8. So 1 7/8 is the stock hose, 1 7/8, and these are both 1 7/8 attachments. And so that's really nice. And then it's a wet dry vac, obviously. And let me just close this guy up here real quick. Shut this cord out. So let's take a look here. Let me just get this going. Wow. I got that wound tight. All right, got it closed. All right, now let me pop it open. Okay, so that's what the inside looks like. It's got your standard rigid filter. You can they have 3 different kinds of filters, but it's pretty legit, okay? And absolutely phenomenal. It's not crazy loud. It's a little bit louder. I have this one Craftsman that's like really quiet. It's even quieter than like a house vac. It's a little bit louder than that, but still quieter than most vacuum cleaners that you would use inside your house. The car auto detail kit, okay, that comes with the car auto detail kit's like $55. I'll put links in the description if you guys want to buy this stuff. It's all on Amazon too. That's a 10-foot pro grade, like super nice hose, flexible. Both ends they articulate, okay? They rotate, they're articulating ends. So really phenomenal hose. This is articulating as well. This is a 1.25, okay, a 1 1/4 inches, and all of the attachments for the car are here, okay? So you've got this crevice tool. This is extra long crevice tool with rubber right here. Why is there rubber right there? To prevent scratching, okay? This is to get in between seats, driver's seats, passenger seats, under the seats, in between your center console and your seats, stuff like that. So great, super long crevice tool here. And then you also have, this is a upholstery and dashboard brush. So it has very soft, light bristles. And look at the shape of that, okay? Have you ever seen a vac brush like that? No, but this is the best brush, for cars. And then here, this you can use on carpets. Okay, this is great for carpets. And this is also great for carpets as well as water. So let's say you want to shampoo your own carpets in your car. You can get carpet shampooer like Rug Doctor or Bissell. Mix it with hot water, you know, pour it into your carpet, like scrub your carpet up real nice, and then pour clean water on it. And as you're pouring the clean water onto your carpet, you can just straight suck all the water out right into your shop vac with this guy. So this can be used as an extractor, what they call an extractor. But this also works really, really well for vacuuming your floor mats and your carpets inside your car as well. This picks up like everything because it's super high pressure. So like, absolutely phenomenal vacuum cleaner. You know, I want to give you another pro tip too. If you have a sander, right, or a random orbital, well, sanders are probably best actually. If you take a sander and you take the sandpaper off of it and then you set it down on the carpet inside your car, it's going to cause all of the sand and the rocks and the debris that's deep down in the fibers to pop out. To come right out of the carpet. And as it's popping up and flying around and coming out of the carpet, you just vacuum it all up. So if you have a car that you've had for a long time, you bought a used vehicle and you're like, hey, I really want to get these carpets clean, take a sander, put it down on the carpet, hold it on the carpet, and just vacuum as that sander's running on the carpet, because it's going to vibrate all the stuff right out of your carpet for you. So fantastic. So I recommend it. I mean, I'm making a video on it. Why? Because I'm blown away, you know? Like, who does videos on shop vacs, right? For real. But for auto detailing and just generally speaking, having a shop vac in your garage, this is a really just fantastic shop vac.